Hi, my love. Working now. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hello, Nana Pai. My father art.
Ano si Bion?
Papa Bion. Kay.
Wala. Wala dyan.
La. Kay.
Puri ni. Ito.
Wala na. Dagos.
Bakal ni ko ang iyon. Ubay. Salbato. Asosya. Yung kanildo niyo.
Mom, okay.
Wala ka ba rin sa hon? Wala ka ba rin sa hon?
Ay, ito na sa resort. Resort dito sa Salvacion.
Salvasyon?
Pero man sa Tampa Bakal.
Presyuhan. Wala ka na. Basta may kanila. Hindi pa dali na sa milin-milin. Padali ka. May madala sa milyon
Hey, Cheryl, love lives. Hi. How are you?
Una, video. Wala.
How are you, lovely lives? How are you today, Cheryl? Today is a good day. I'm good, thanks for asking, Cheryl. Always welcome. What's the plans for today, Cheryl? Plans for today? After lunch, we have a meeting related for the work. And this morning, I do live. I wash clothes. A little house wash. Why is it a good day, Cheryl? Because today is a stay healthy. It's a blessing. It's a blessed day because of healthy. You feel sick, feel fine. What makes today a good day, Cheryl? Today is what makes Mixed foodie today because I feel beautiful. Because today because I have a mirror, and wow, I see myself on the mirror and tell myself that oh, you need to stay uh, be positive, that you're beautiful. That's your own mind, but no need to go outside and see the real world because the real world says makes you the real the real world makes you feel hurt. You know, I don't know. I thought it was your birthday today or something like that. No, my birthday is, oh my god, my birthday next year. Hope you guys have a gift for me. Happy birthday, Vibrarito. Thank you, Vibrarito. What is the gift? What is your birthday gift to me, guys? What is the birthday gift for me? I'm a debutante. Wow. Dry flowers. Your birthday is the same month as Valentine's Day. Yes, same month. Love month. My birthday is a love month. Come on, let's dance. Tap and drop and roll. Churet, churet, and churi. Char. Rajman, calm down, Raj. Churet and roll. Down, down. Turkey, black, 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 art, art. That. What is that? Turkey, I'm from Turkey, Black. Thank you for joining me here, Black. From Turkey. Me, Black, I'm from Philippines. Unique Filipino name, Cheryl was born in February. Thank you. Thank you. Gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. You look me beautiful. Really beautiful. Cheryl. Love Philippines. Thank you, guys. Did you have coffee today? I have a changed lifestyle. I drink milk with a little bit of coffee. I feel home. If you were my wife, I would tell you that every day. Ah, really? But no, I'm taken, We're from Rajman. Did you have breakfast yet today? Yes. Bread. I ate the bread and then the coffee, the milk. Hi, Shara. Do you know any Brazilian music? Maybe if maybe some, but I don't know if it's a Brazilian. But some, I think if it's plain, that's I will recognize. Oh, it's a Brazilian. It's sometimes Brazilian song music trend here in the Philippines. Pandesal and coffee. Pandesal. Pandasil. Pap, para, pap. She stopped drinking coffee more or less. Milk and a little bit of coffee is healthy. Yeah, yeah. That's why I drink milk and a little bit of coffee. No sugar. I drink it without sugar. Well, go out today, Cheryl. After lunch, yeah, afternoon here, we have a meeting about work because, yep, yep. After lunch is we always go out. Yeah, need to work because morning I do live and busy here at home. Cheryl, as they start up. Yep, yep. Do you enjoy your time with your college? No, because not enjoy. What is for lunch, Cheryl? Today the lunch fashion rice as always. For the likes. I like and I'm always a subscriber. Thank you so much. I love the lights. Rice is life. Yes, rice is life here in the Philippines. Thank you for the likes. It's a slow day today. People usually talk a lot in your chat. It's okay. I ended the live first because it's can say it's a buffering or just a loading. But I think I don't know, maybe because of the internet connection here. That's why I do live again. So it's a part two live here in the morning. Two times. Richard, no, it's not. Brazilian barbecue is the best. Really? Brazilian barbecue, 6 billion viewers and 6 billion likes. Thank you. Adiyo, may palaman niya da. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 6 people. Cheryl, do you have to wash clothes today? Yep. Yes. Asakadere. As- Busy day for the Filipinos. In a few minutes, I need to end the live because I need to prepare here. I need to clean a little bit here. May problema lang kuya ko.
Oh, oh, oh.
Don't worry, Cheryl. One day you will have everything you ever wanted. Yeah, thank you so much. And I think Wednesday for just need to work. What time will you be back, Cheryl? I do live again a night here in the Philippines. Thank you so much for joining. 7 people here, and this who's the likes. Thank you so much. God bless us. God bless us. More blessings to come. I had to survive the night without you. What? Oh my god. I will miss you until then, Cheryl. Really, really, really. Dun, 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 Enjoy your day in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Hey, beautiful Robert Compton. Hi, Robert. Thank you for joining here. I think where are you from? Oh my God! Calling the nature. Oh my Gulay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kung maluwas, ulit ka, mama. Oh my god, by the way, I have to good time with your college, Sarah. Thank you, lovely. I need to go because I need call of nature. I'm going to comfort room now. Bye bye. Thank God. Where are you at? I'm from Philippines, Robert. And you, where are you from? Call me when you're done. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. USC Alabama. Thank you, Robert. Nice to meet you. I'm from Philippines, Filipina. Cheryl. My channel name. Bye. See you next live. I know. Bye. I will see you later, Cheryl. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.